So in this video, we're gonna look at the Cleantech UVC air purifier. This is model CTC 400. Some of the top features are it's got a germicidal 254 NM UVC replaceable HEPA filter. This one's safe to use 24/7, also safe to use around other people. You can also boost the UVC intensity, reflect mirror coating, vortex air chamber to maximize UVC exposure, and this one's rated for 200 square feet. Now dimensions on this is 420 millimeters tall, 200 millimeters wide by 200 millimeters deep. This one has 45 decibel whisper quiet technology, and this one only weighs about 9 pounds. So inside the box, you've got a user manual and power cable. You can see the fan here right on the top, power button right here in the corner. Overall, this is a pretty simple and clean design here. You can see there's nothing really all the way around it. To get to the filter, you just screw off these 4 feet on the bottom, and the filter is right below that. I'd have to double check on their website, but I think a replacement filter is about 25 bucks. It's kind of hard to see in the middle, but you've got 2 different bulbs here. You can see down below is where you plug in the power cable. So to power it on, you just press the power button once and it'll start to initiate maximum power for 2 hours. And then it shuts off automatically after 2 hours of operation. Now, if you want it on the 24/7 mode, just press the power button twice. So it should be about half as loud in this one versus max power. You just want to make sure this is 20 centimeters away from everything on all sides. And they're saying the filter for this should last about 6 to 12 months, depending on where you're using this. They're also saying the inner wall of the plastic shell will turn yellow over time just due to long-term exposure to high intensity UVC, which is caused by the oxidation of the flame retardant materials. Apparently this is normal and will not affect the device performance. So yeah, I definitely have to check that out as time goes on. So this is how it sounds on the 2-hour max mode. Definitely sounds pretty loud if you're close to it. I don't know if it's really much louder than my other air purifiers. Let's see what it's like on the 24/7 mode. Okay, so yeah, that is about half as loud. To power it off, you just hit it twice. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out for a few days and then give you what my first impressions are of this Cleantech UVC air purifier. Okay, so after using this for a couple days, I gotta say it works pretty good. And I've tried it in a couple different rooms just to see how it does. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this air purifier. However, there is one thing I should mention, and that is it has sort of a unique odor. Not really an overwhelming bad odor or anything. It just smells sort of like either a chemical, not quite a burning plastic smell, but definitely something smells a little bit off with this. I don't know, maybe that's pretty common with this type of UVC air purifier. So I contacted the guys at Cleantech and they assured me that this is normal. It's just a matter of how the process works, the process of cleaning the molecules in the air, that it sort of has this odor to it. And while they assured me that it's not harmful, I feel like some people aren't gonna like that odor. Did notice is when you take the bottom off, the light from the inside really turns the white plastic yellow. But according to the manual, that's pretty normal and expected. You can even see on the filter there where it turns a yellow. Same thing on the white plastic inside around the bulb. Overall though, build quality on this feels pretty good. It appears to clean the air pretty good as well. And for me, I'll probably just leave it on the 24/7 setting pretty much all the time. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.